Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Google Chrome where you have an option on Google Chrome upon startup to continue where you left off and it's not letting you make this change. So if you were to perhaps close out your web browser and then you want to reopen it, instead of perhaps opening right on the same pages you were already on, it might open up a new tab page or a specific web page like a home page. So if you have it set to Google or Yahoo or ask.com or something along those lines. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve that without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Google Chrome web browser if it's not already open. I'm going to have a Chrome URL in the description of my video, so it's going to say Chrome and then a colon followed by 2 forward slashes and then flags, so FLAGS. You want to hit enter on your keyboard. Once it's pasted in, you can also type it in alternatively as well. And now you want to select the Reset All to Default button right up here at the top. Your changes will take effect the next time you relaunch Google Chrome. Select Relaunch now. And once Google Chrome relaunches, you should be able to make that change without issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.